In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business address on LegalZoom. Whether you've moved offices or simply want to update your records, it's crucial to ensure your business details are current. Keeping your address updated not only helps in maintaining compliance with legal requirements, but also ensures you receive all your important documents without any hitches. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to start by logging into your LegalZoom account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the LegalZoom website. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, you can always use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice your profile name. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. Clicking on Account Settings will navigate you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your personal information, billing details, and, of course, your business address. Once on the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled Shipping Address. This section is where your current business address is listed. To make changes, find and click the Edit option next to your shipping address. This will enable you to enter your new business address details. Be sure to double-check for any typos or errors, as this is the address LegalZoom will use to send important documents related to your business. After you've entered the new address, save your changes. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your address has been successfully updated. If any issues arise, or if you need further assistance, LegalZoom's customer support is just a click away. And that's it! You've successfully updated your business address on LegalZoom. Keeping this information current is essential for the smooth operation of your business. It ensures you remain compliant with any legal obligations and continue to receive all necessary correspondence at the correct location. Thank you for watching and following along. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Have a great day and stay tuned for more useful tips and guides.